all admit that these are especially stressful and uncertain times. As we recover from the global crisis, we are faced with new options that require us to let go of our former limitations. Stress management, personal growth, social interaction, and even spirituality are no longer the same. Unfortunately, however, stress, uncertainty, fear, frustration, and conflict haven't gone away. As we start again, everywhere we look, it seems like the once thriving society in which we lived is now in decay. With this shift, we are tempted to think that we are never going to recover life as it once was. And for a lot of people, this is terrifying, frustrating, and unbearable. As the lockdown limited our relaxation and human connection, shelter-in-place orders confined many of us to our homes. Both of these put a strain on family and personal relationships. Many of the changes shifted how we will live our lives from here on out. There is no turning back. But as the global economy restarts and many begin working, we adapt to this new world erupting at our feet. This new world, however, favors exceptional individuals who master self-awareness, mental clarity, and emotional serenity. Those who can thrive and adapt know themselves and master their experiences at the deepest levels. Your level of mastery directly impacts your ability to face new challenges while adapting and thriving in this new world. So, does self-doubt, self-criticism, and your need to please others restrict your self-awareness? Does it limit your personal power? Are your past mistakes wrecking your present relationships with others and yourself? Do you master your reality, or does your reality master you? Mastery is the most powerful tool we have to create inner serenity, stability, and success as we move forward. In these times, mental clarity and composure help us to be compassionate, calm, efficient, and effective in our thinking and in creating solutions while maintaining connection to those we love. If you're on the leading edge, you're ready to access and activate your optimal ability to adapt and thrive. This mastery is already available to you, so why not activate your power to adapt, evolve, and thrive as your life unfolds today? In 3 simple steps, you can access self-mastery and activate the power guiding your life experience. Sign up for a free epiphany session where you'll learn the 3 simple steps to thrive as you awaken to an incredible new world. Click the link below to set up your free epiphany session today.